Have you ever noticed that in a room full of people, the most powerful person is often the quietest one? While others are busy trying to prove themselves, the silent individual is observing, calculating, and controlling the energy of the room. In today's world, we are taught that to be heard, we must speak loud. But psychology suggests the opposite. Today, I will reveal the 5 psychological reasons why silence is your greatest weapon and how you can use it to command respect instantly. When you speak less, your words carry more weight. People who talk too much often reveal their insecurities. But when you remain silent, people naturally wonder what you're thinking. It creates an aura of mystery and authority. In Europe and the West, high-value individuals often use strategic silence in negotiations. It forces the other person to fill the gap, often revealing more than they intended. You cannot listen when you are talking. By staying silent, you become a master observer. You notice the body language, the micro-expressions, and the hidden intentions of others. This is dark psychology in its most subtle form. You are gathering data while others are giving it away for free. Silence is the ultimate sign of emotional maturity. When someone insults you or tries to provoke you, a silent response is far more powerful than an angry shout. It shows you are in total control of your emotions. This is the core of Stoicism. Silence isn't about being weak or shy. It's about knowing when to speak and when to let your presence do the talking. If you want to master your life, start by mastering your tone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Synaptic Globe for more psychological insights. Which point did you find most powerful? Let me know in the comments below.